CoinEx is a platform I've been using for well over a year now. And if you looked at my previous videos, I've used this cryptocurrency exchange particularly for trading meme coins and doing leveraged trading because they allow you to do up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin futures trading. And you can see they offer a number of different altcoins and meme coins that you can pick from. If you go over to the market section, click on market overview, you can see all the different cryptocurrencies that they have on their platform and new listings for new tokens. They usually are one of the fastest and earliest to list new meme coins, and this is something that I really like because if you want to trade meme coins on a centralized exchange or you want to have the fastest, easiest way to get involved with meme coins, you can see they already have Suncat and Bull and Mini, and really anytime there's a meme coin that's on fire, a lot of people are talking about, like new and up and coming projects, they list them basically faster than any other platform out there. And so when I invested in this project back about a year ago, when I first talked about it, the project's token was much lower in price. Their token CET has done extremely well over the past year or so. And if we look at the charts and we go to the daily time frame for their native token, you can see that this token was as low as around 2.5 cents per token. Now it's nearly 7 cents per token. It has been trending upwards and has a nice shape on its chart over the past year. We've just consistently had, new breakout. Then we had a nice little support that was formed around 3.5 cents per token. Then we had another breakout and another support created right around 6 cents per token, 5.5 cents per token. And whenever you're seeing a token rally and projects that are gaining in value in the crypto space, you don't usually just like to see them go straight up, 500, 600, 700%, because then they usually come down really quickly. But with CoinEx, the way the chart's moving, it's creating support along the way as it's been continuing to rally higher. That's exactly what you want to see. And with CoinEx, it's very different because CoinEx's native token, CET, they say CET, value added equity pass on the platform, is the native token of the CoinEx and serves as a crucial value exchange medium within the CoinEx ecosystem. So the cool thing about this token is that the total supply is 10 billion. And according to its value agreement, they allocate 20% of the daily trading income to repurchase CET, and these CET tokens will be burnt at the end of each calendar month. The repurchase and burning process will continue until CET is reduced to zero, and since its launch, CET has been issued and circulated via various channels, including airdrops, global market promotions, team incentives, trading rebates, etc. And with a continuous repurchase and burning mechanisms, the CET supply will continue to decrease. And if we're looking at it, they've burnt 71.68% of the total supply. Currently, the total circulating supply is 2.78 billion. So if you're just looking at value over time, this is an exchange that people are always using. They have, in terms of statistics, $143 million in 24-hour trading volume, and in terms of perpetual futures, they have over $1 billion, like right around $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume. So if you just take into this that trading volume into account, they're going to be always burning tokens and using 20% of the daily trading fee income to buy back tokens, and that's going to continue to drive up the price. So I think that's why we've continued to see CET token continue to rally higher and higher and form supports along the way, because as more people are using the platform and more people are trading, they're generating more income. They're using that money to then buy the token and burn it. So I think that's why this is a project that could easily do like 10x from where we're currently at, because if you're looking at their numbers, they're pretty high up there in terms of 24-hour trading volume for both futures and for spot, and they have so many new tokens that are always listing on the platform. You can see everything in detail about their repurchase history. The last 7 days, they've purchased right around 2.4 million. Last 30 days, around 10.5 million, last 90 days around 31.5 million. So you can see all of those details there. Within the CoinEx ecosystem, there's a few things that I really like about that add even more value to the CET token. And I've talked about these in videos since, 2023, early 2023, late 2022. But with this ecosystem and their token, there's a few things that really stand out. So with CoinEx, for all CET trades, there's going to be 100% of trading fees will be rewarded to liquidity providers, while in other AMM markets, 50% of the trading fees will be rewarded to liquidity providers. So they are trying to empower the CET token. Not only this, but also if you go over to their website and you go to the AMM section, you can see how it says everyone can become a market maker and enjoy 50% trading fee dividend. It says, what is an AMM? An AMM refers to automated market making. CoinEx supports the AMM function for hundreds of crypto markets, and each market owns a funding pool. You can provide the liquidity for the market by injecting funds into the pool and becoming a market maker. By joining AMM, you can enjoy the extra trading fee income distributed by CoinEx. So this is something that's very different than other platforms in the term of like how they go about distributing those trading fees. You can see how it talks about revenue, how 100% of trading fees will be rewarded to liquidity providers, while in other AMM markets, only 50% is rewarded to liquidity providers. Next thing I want to go over is going to be in terms of their team. So in terms of their team, we could see that they are one of the best, most skilled teams in the crypto space. And you can see that all in this article. They talk all about how in terms of rankings, while Binance and Gate.io usually are ranked the highest, CoinEx isn't an exchange that's talked about much, but it is ranked A for every single aspect from this report from Token Insight. In terms of product overview, they got an A, above MEXC. In terms of trading overview, they got an A, again, above Coinbase, above MEXC. They also got an A for user experience. So when you're seeing this, it makes me think that this token is extremely undervalued because they rank high in terms of user experience, trading overview, and in terms of product overview. But in terms of the token price and the market cap, they aren't as high as many of their competitors. So you can see it talks all about their market cap right here on their website, how it says, look, the circulating market cap, $190 million, but this is much lower than a lot of their competitors who rank lower in terms of, just all of these different user features, in terms of new tokens that are trading on the platform. They rank, like this CoinEx simply ranks a lot higher than them. So in our previous videos, we've talked about a number of features on the platform to how to use their trading account, copy trading platform, as well as just their regular markets and market overview tab. But a cool thing about this platform that we didn't go over in our previous videos is going to be in terms of their comparisons. And it's simply what we talked about earlier. It's like if you're looking at product overview, trading overview, and user experience, they simply just rank higher. And this article just dives deep into comparing CoinEx to other exchanges. And it doesn't say it's the best for every single thing. It obviously doesn't have the highest trading volume, but is really underrated and undervalued in terms of its token price and in terms of its capabilities. So that is why I have been investing in this token since we first covered it on the channel over a year ago, almost 2 years ago. And the token price has been consistently trending upwards over the last year or so. Even when a lot of the market might have been struggling at periods of time, this token has been continuing to break through previous highs, create new supports, continue to break through to a new high, create another support. It's looking like CoinEx is gearing up for another massive breakout. So use my link in the description, check out this project, and it's definitely worth not only using the exchange if you like to trade meme coins, but also investing in the token because it has actual utility and actual value. And a lot of altcoins these days simply are trying to raise as much money as possible. They don't have a lot of utility, but CoinEx has a real exchange with real users generating real revenue every single day.